Hello there, this is a lovely example of the Toyota Verso 5-door family MPV. Nice style and nice specifications as well within the vehicle. You do have media center within the middle of the in the middle of the vehicle with DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, satellite navigation. You've also got dual zone climate control, automatic lights and automatic wipers, privacy glass setting from the back, as well as isofix seating points and roof rails from the top. Nice boot space with a cargo liner and privacy shelf should you need it, as well as a 20-40 split in the rear seats should you need that extra space. And back round to the passenger side. Great car this, guys. For more information, please visit the website.